chuan way, grab burst tail from our previous move. So we were facing northwest. So if I rotate around, so now it becomes my northwest. So same as the grab burst tail from before. Now you're pushing forward, brush knees and push forward, head taking, relax your waist, dropping buttocks, and sit. So you are, and also sinking your elbows and gradually rotate your left hand a little bit lower, so then toe up, right toe up, and right hand in front. So now it is in front of your nose. Then it will be just burst tail, grab burst tail, rotate your hands, dropping your elbows and bend the hip, sit upright and push forward and toes down, lunging to left 45 degrees left, rotate your hip to 45 degrees to the right, relax your waist, drop your buttocks and gradually sit back, and then rotate back to the front, which is your northwest. This is grab burst tail.